Hello everyone, today we will learn viral text effect. How I do this. Okay, our ultimate viral text effect is here. So how I do this? I explain step by step everything. First I add a text layer. I used in this text font. Which type of font I use in this text? I use in this text Helvetica. In this font is most famous. We are know everyone. So I use Helvetica. Okay, every English text I use Helvetica from. You see, I add some animation starting when starting freelancing. I add some animation. Animation is grow. I use grow animation and some duration 0.7. Okay, then I add a second text layer, freelancer above text layer 85%. It is same. I starting a grow effect and some duration, then 85%. But some shadow, black shadow, opacity some decrease 89%. Then look like this. It is 85% under has freelancer has some black shadow. It's look like so cool and so pretty. Okay, next we are start our Chomoy. In this effect, how samely I use in this text font is headline. You can easily download in this text effect. You go to Google and search a headline, then you find it and download. Okay, similarly I add some black shadow. In this font is some different because it's look like so cool, so I don't use here is Helvetica, so it's look like so cool, so pretty. Okay, next in last layer. So when you say freelancer, then I show freelancer, then say 85%, I show 85%, then say Shomoy, then I show Shomoy. When say freelancing, then I show freelancing, then each on back, or then I show this. Ultimate our viral text effect is here. Ultimate our viral text effect is here. It is so easy, so cool. You can create easily. Thank you. See you again. Okay.
গড়ে তুলতে পারবেন এবং দীর্ঘমেয়াদী কাজ করতে পারবেন।
Okay, today we will. Okay, today we will learn how. Today we will learn how I create 2024 in text effect. Okay. Our ultimately 2024 text effect is here, and our ultimately 2024 text effect this. So how I create in this effect. It is a compound click. When I click compound click, then I see many compound click. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 layer. Then under has a only image. In this image is like this. Okay, in this image above I create 20224. Okay, how I create this? Okay, first when I go, then I will see many compound clip. It is compound clip. Okay, this here is this is image, background image, then it's top, it is above has a 2, but in this 2 has some decrease of its opacity. It is to it is to decrease some opacity only for but in this two I font size, but in this two I increase some scale, then decrease some opacity. So ultimately two is like this, and no add any animation. I hope you enjoy in this video. If you want to connect with me, please subscribe, follow, or friend request send me. See you another video.